This is Justin from Premium Artificial Grass. We're about to do a putting green and artificial grass in a house in Biggleswade. The putting green is it's a 4x4, it's going over here somewhere. We're having these slabs continued along as a path. And then the rest is going to be artificial grass. This is Justin from Premium Artificial Grass. We've just laid, as you can see, artificial grass all the way around. We've put a French drain along the front because the patio dips, and it's just to help with the water. There's obviously a putting green in the middle. It's got 3 holes. We use nylon putting green, so it's top quality putting green. All secured in with stainless steel. It's double membraned stone, then granite dust. 0 to 4 mil, smoothed over, then we level it all off, screed it. There's quite a few bags of sand that goes in there, sand dressing for the putting green. And this is the finished result. Thank you.